Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate eBay managed payments and payouts. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate eBay managed payments, start by logging into your eBay account. Once logged in, navigate to the account tab located in the top menu. From the drop-down, select Payment Options. Look for the section labeled Managed Payments. Click on the Enroll button next to the Managed Payments option. You will be prompted to review eBay's managed payments policy. Make sure to read through the terms and conditions carefully. After reviewing, click on Agree and Continue. Next, you'll need to enter your bank account information. Provide the account type, account number, and routing number. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Follow the prompts to complete the setup process. You may also need to verify your identity with additional information. Once you've entered all necessary details, confirm your setup. You will receive a confirmation message that your managed payments are being activated. Please note that activation may take a few hours. Keep an eye on your email for any updates or further instructions. Once approved, you'll be able to manage your payouts through eBay. Check the Payments section to monitor your transactions. You're now ready to enjoy all the benefits of eBay managed payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.